Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing all of the kits and stickers that I'm using in the month of March. So I have two planners that I use stickers in, my memory planner and my plum paper vertical priorities. So that's what these two piles are for. Let's start with the plum paper. So my plum paper is an A5. So I use journaling stickers, decorative stickers, and like very few pages of kits. That's what I have found works best for my style. So let's start with the first week, which is these 2 pages from Cactus Paper Company. I'm really loving her journaling sheets. They are affordable and they're very like unique and interesting. So this is called Georgia, and I really like the colors, plus this pale green I think will match really nicely with the green in my plum paper because I have the modern colorway. So I just think these are beautiful, and I have found that her journaling kits are pretty functional for me. They have pretty much everything I need to decorate and also add a little bit of like boxes and things like that. So that is the first week. Second week is Hand Can Plan, and I have these 3 sheets. I actually have found that I don't need all 3 sheets, but here we are. I mean, it's already ordered. So this is the Lucky Day kit, and I have the full boxes page, which has 8 full boxes and some quarter boxes right there. I have the boxes page, which I'll use, but I don't think I need. And then I've got the washi page, which I use a lot of this page. I cut them down and just kind of reformat things and reuse whatever I can. So I love her kits. They're just so fun and beautiful, and this one's going to be really cute, and I think that it will match pretty well with that seafoam green color. Okay, next we have Let's Plan It. So I've got the Rhiannon journaling sheets. So this is the supplemental page, which it has this little, like, I don't even know what it is. It's something like sticky on it, and it just like came that way. So I don't know that I can use this box unless I cover that with some deco, but I will try because I think it's really cute. I love the colors in this. I think they're super fun. This is the deco sheet, even though it says Julia, it is the Rhiannon collection. So I think that is going to be super fun. And then I have these St. Patty's typo, this sheet. I think this is really fun. I might add some of these stickers to my monthly as well. I know I will have leftovers, but I think this is really cute, and I might add some more of these quotes to this week as well, just for some interest and fun. Super cute. Then for my last week of the month, I have this kit, or this sheet from Saucy Stickers Co., the Spring Day journaling sheet. And this was when she was just doing 1-page kits. Now she's doing 2-page journaling kits. However, I think this is a lot for what I need. I just think I will throw in some washi, and I found this sheet in my collection too from Fox and Pip, the Dream sheet for journaling, and this matches really well, and I think that some of these items will look really, really cute with this sheet. So I'm going to pair these together, and I think that they'll go. I don't know about the stars. I mean, maybe though. Like, I'm just going to play with it and see what I can do. So this is for the last week of the month in my plum paper. Then let's go to my Sadie Stickers memory planner. There are 4 weeks in March, so I have 4 kits and a monthly. Let's look at the monthly first. This is from Caress Press. It is called Self Love. I had a hard time finding a March kit that I really loved, and to be honest, I don't love this one, but I do like it, and I think it will work for what I need. So we have this page here with the full box covers across the top and some icons. This one goes on the other side. It's very bright, like in your face, but I do like the patterns. I like the vibe of it. You know, it's very like calming. Lots of boxes. Then we have the deco sheet. I think I will use these boxes. Those are really cute, and I like the square boxes too. And then the sidebar sticker goes over on the right side in my planner. So there is that. So that is Self Love from Caress Press. Then let's go in order of the weeks. So the first week of March, I have Books and Blooms from Scribble Prints Co. This is the mini kit. Okay, so we've got the full boxes. I just really love the artwork in this. I think it's really fun. When I hauled this, I did say this may be a little bit too young for me, but we're just going to go with it, and hopefully it's going to work out. But I think that this color scheme is really pretty for March and April, so I think it's fun. I think it's going to work. I think. If I change my mind, I mean, don't be super surprised, but I do like the colors. I think it's going to be really fun. Lots of labels. I think she recently redid her kit, so this isn't the newest format. And then we've got the bottom washi and this extra box, which I really like. I will definitely use that. And then we have a little freebie here that matches the kit, which I think this is a cool idea that she's been doing. Like that. So that's for the first week. The second week is in a totally different direction. All of these are actually like completely different from each other, which I love. This is called It's a Vibe from Lexi Kylie Designs. I totally like ripped open this originally, so the cello is like falling apart. Okay, so we've got the full boxes and some headers down here. This is just so pretty. I really love the artwork in this. I feel like it might be older artwork that she's kind of put together with other things. I just think it's so beautiful. Very neutral. And then the bottom washi is so pretty. I just love it. And then lots of boxes. So the first two pages are foiled, but the last one isn't, which is fine. I can make that work. And then we have some themed icons, which are super cute. I haven't used a Lexi Kylie Designs kit in a while, so I'm really excited to use this. And then these were in the order, so I threw them into the cellophane to use with this week. I have some date dots, and then I threw in the headers just because I think these are so pretty and I want to use them, and some of these as well. I just think they're really gorgeous. So pretty. So that is It's a Vibe from Lexi Kylie Designs. Then for St. Patty's week, I've got Lucky Vibes from Caress Press. This one is a little bit too, a little more fancy than I am. However, I love the shades of green in this, so we're just going to like ignore that fact that there's like references to Dior and things, and we're just going to go with it because I think it's so, so pretty. And I love this scene. And it's not like in your face St. Patrick's Day. It's like, oh, the colors are just so pretty. I love them. The patterns are really fun too, like the mix of them. These colors just, they're just speaking to me. I love this. I'm definitely going to add this into the mix. So pretty. Then we've got the deco, which I think I'll probably have to use across the top of the spread. And then these extra boxes I added on, I think, or I don't, they may have come with the kit. But these, I think I will definitely sub in because then it makes it like St. Patrick's Day. So I think that's going to be really cute. I don't know which one I'm going to like nix. Maybe this one. I don't know. Just so cute. So that is Lucky Vibes from Caress Press. And last, as like a transition into April, I have this beautiful kit from Sadie Stickers. Just gorgeous. It's called Hello Spring. And it was just like totally speaking my language. I think this is so pretty. The bottom washi is really what sold it to me. That's just gorgeous. So it has silver foil. We've got 8 full boxes here and some labels at the bottom. And then a bunch of boxes with a little bit of foiling on them. And then we've got some functional things here. I love this so much. So pretty. And then, of course, that beautiful bottom washi and some date covers, extra boxes. I have found that her new format, I think this is the newest one, but this works really, really well for me. Like, I don't even have to supplement anything, really, besides, like, character stickers, because I love the way that she is setting things up. So gorgeous. Okay, so that is everything. These are all of my kits and sticker sheets for March. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!